Hey everyone! Today I'm making falafel from scratch, crispy on the outside, fluffy on the inside, and totally plant-based. First up, grab about 1.5 cups of dried chickpeas. Don't use canned, trust me, it makes a difference. Rinse them and soak them in plenty of water overnight, at least 12 hours. They'll double in size and get nice and tender. The next day, drain your chickpeas and pat them dry. Now, into a food processor, add those chickpeas, half a chopped onion, 3 cloves of garlic, a handful of fresh parsley, and a handful of fresh cilantro. Add 1 teaspoon of ground cumin and 1 teaspoon of ground coriander, a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper if you want. Heat a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of baking powder. Drizzle in 2 tablespoons of flour to help bind everything. Pulse all that together, but don't overdo it. You want a coarse, grainy texture, not a smooth paste. If you can squeeze it in your hand and it holds together, you're good to go. If it's crumbly, add a bit more flour. Now scoop out some mixture and form it into balls or patties, whatever you prefer. If you have time, let them chill in the fridge for about 30 minutes. This helps them hold their shape when frying. Time to fry. Heat about 2 inches of oil in a deep skillet to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. Carefully lower the falafel in, a few at a time. Don't overcrowd the pan. Fry for about 3 to 4 minutes per side until they're golden brown and crisp. Use a slotted spoon to transfer them to a paper towel-lined plate. If you want to bake instead, place the falafel on a greased baking sheet. Spray the tops with oil. Bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius for about 25 minutes, flipping once. The texture's a little different, but it still works. To serve, tuck them into warm pita with lettuce, tomato, cucumber, and a drizzle of tahini sauce. They're perfect for lunch, dinner, or a midnight snack. No judgment here. If you found this walkthrough helpful, hit that like button. Subscribe for more easy recipes, and share this video with your food-loving friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Brief, like, subscribe and share.